All right, let's get algorithmic. So, um, we were going to look at some problems. So, the first problem was 22 hundredths times 4. So, remember, there's a few different ways that we can set this up. The easiest way is just take care of that 0. Remember, that will not change the value of our answer if we put that in our problem or not. After that, just line it up like a multiplication problem. Larger amount of digits goes on top. All right, 22 hundredths is smaller than 4. We're not lining up the decimal points. We're not lining up the place values. Not in this situation, because that will mess up our shortcut. I'll show you how to do this without the shortcut afterwards and give you the choice. Do it the way that you feel comfortable. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. We count the number of decimal places in our problem, and we place that many decimal places in our solution. So 22 hundredths times 4, 4 groups of 22 hundredths is 88 hundredths. Remember, that's kind of like money. If you had 22 cents 4 times, it would be 88 cents. So if we did this by lining up place values and lining up decimal points, we're now looking at a 2 by 3 multiplication problem. We'll get the same answer. So this is the shortcut on the left, and then on the right, this is how it could take a little bit longer, but you can still use the drop it like it's hot method of just moving the decimal point straight down through the problem. So 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8. Second line, ones place, 0. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8. Oh no, my math is getting squished together. I'll use that as a plus sign. Haha. So add it all together. And on this one, actually, that wouldn't work at all. Dropping like it's hot would put it in the wrong place. Counting the decimal places puts it in the right place. So, yeah, did more work and got the same answer. So, might as well take the shortcut on this one. All right, one other thing. Let's do 1 3/10 times 2. Just set it up like that. Remember, we're ignoring the decimal point. We're basically setting it up like a whole number problem. 13 times 2. We're not lining up the decimal points. We're not lining up the place values. All right, so 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Now we count how many decimal places are in our problem. We have a tenth in our problem, so we're going to put the same amount of decimal places in our product, our answer. There's a tenth in our answer. Once again, if we set this up as with the decimal points and place values lined up, I don't know why I just put that. Sorry. If we do this, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 2 is 6, second line ones place 0, second line ones place 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2, and then we add together, and then we have 2 decimal places, so once again, remember, we're doing the same amount of work. We're doing more work to get the same answer. So by not lining up the decimal points, not lining up the place values, you are saving yourself some time. So there you go. Just a few looks at the algorithm. We'll look at the algorithm more, but I just wanted to give you some previews into that. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you later. Bye.